Hi. Hey, my friend. How are you? I'm fine. Báwo ni? You say da ni. Let's go. Da ni. Da ni. Like you say dada. Dada also means dad in English. But now I want to ask you báwo ni. That means how are you? Then you go to da ni. Let's go. Da ni. Hey. Kú iṣẹ́. Mm, mm, mm. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, rárá. Ooh. Olúwa dára sí mi. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Wow. Good job. Kú iṣẹ́. Now, when we started the class, you told me, good morning. No, I don't want you to say good morning. I don't want you to greet me good morning anymore. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I don't want that. We have a period of days in Yoruba language. Like the way we have morning in English, evening, night, midnight, and dawn. We also have that in the Yoruba language. I have to sing it as a morning, àárọ̀, afternoon, ọ̀sán, evening, ìrọ̀lẹ́, night, alẹ́, midnight, òru, dawn, ìdájí, morning, àárọ̀, àárọ̀, morning, àárọ̀, again, morning, afternoon, ọ̀sán, afternoon, ọ̀sán, evening, ìrọ̀lẹ́, 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 night, alẹ́, night, alẹ́, midnight, òru, dawn, ìdájí, Let's go once again. Morning, àárọ̀, àárọ̀, afternoon, ọ̀sán, ọ̀sán, ọ̀sán. Drop it down. Take it up. Ọ̀sán. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Evening. Let's shake our body together. Ìrọ̀lẹ́. Ìrọ̀lẹ́. Night. Ọ̀lẹ́. Like a music class. Ọ̀lẹ́. Midnight. Òru. 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 Drop it down. Òru. Down. Ìdájí. Òní. Benny. Do you want to try that? Okay, I'm going to imitate, then you sing along with me. Trust you. Hey, good dancing, me good. Hey, now let's save that. Let's go. Morning. Afternoon. Sun. Evening. Night. Ale. Benny. Midnight. Oru. Oru. Dawn. Ìdájí.